Hey everybody! In today's video, we are going to give you a complete guide on how to reset your Steam game progress so that you can just go over and reset it. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can go to Steam, and some of the Steam games directly save progress in the Steam cloud. So you can directly head over to Steam, look at the Steam option at the top, select it, or if not here, go to the library section and access the library first. Then you can right click on your game that is currently downloaded and go to the properties. And once you go to properties, you can go to the general section and look out for the option to Steam Cloud here once it is fully downloaded, and you can enable the Steam Cloud synchronization there. If not there, you can go to your local save folder. You can look out for your common locations, usually in your file manager. So you can go over there, and from there go to your disk where it is currently located. For example, program files, and you can look out for your Steam. And within Steam, you can look out for your user data. And here, look out for your Steam ID, game ID, and you can delete all the saved folders and files. That should also probably work out for you. And apart from that, what you can do is you can use the in-game reset. So within some of the games, they have the reset option, reset progress, or new game options in the settings. You can follow that up, and that should often be the safest and the simplest method. You can check if the game supports it before manually deleting the files, and that should probably fix the issue. If your game still restores all progress after deleting the files, make sure Steam Cloud is disabled, and before deleting the local steps, you can just go and restart the Steam. And that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.